Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thanks so much for watching. As always, it is greatly appreciated that you're here. I'm actually out for a walk with Ellie, so I need to be quick. This video is about our first day in Belgium, and I hope you guys enjoy it. It is a little bit short, but we were a little jet lagged, and there were some other issues, but I will elaborate that on a future video. All right, while I'm out, why don't you guys enjoy the video? All right, later. Hey guys, thanks for clicking on this video. If you enjoy what you see here today, make sure to give a like, maybe leave a comment, and subscribe for more content. And with that, here's another video of being Johan. You made it. Alright, we're trying to get a ticket.
11:05.
We're currently trying to figure out the transit system to get us into Brussels. Honestly, it wasn't too difficult. There were just some confusion on which was the official app, so I recommend just getting the tickets from the machine since those are pretty clear. It's just a quick 20-minute train ride into the city center. This makes it so convenient. Hey, look at that, we made it. And this is where we'll be staying. Whoa.
The way it opens is so great.
So dramatic.
What's the moves? Oh, the trash can.
Made it to the hotel.
Yay!
Early check-in for one of the rooms.
Good thing we're the only ones here early.
Yeah. Here is the room. Don't mind Amy.
I'm sorry.
We got a great view of someone's office. Someone's home? No, workshop.
Just fine.
Now it's time to explore. Looking good, looking good. Since we were one of the first ones to arrive, we decided to wander around a bit.
Just kidding. Wow.
We didn't really have a destination planned, and we just kind of wandered around aimlessly.
CPs. Oh. Oh, I whistled that. Why did you have to do that when my face was ugly? Because I was like,
Okay, I'll do it again.
no, I'm done.
Amy mentioned something about a vampire.
Oh.
Where is it?
Looks like it's
You're talking about this one, right?
a... No. Oh, you... Johan.
There's a tree over there.
That's so...
Also, what's going on with over this? This is what Amy was talking about.
Like looking for his next victim.
I guess. I'm more interested in this.
National Bank. It's a museum.
I guess. This is the Travel Essentials hoodie from Comfort. 5 zippered pockets, oversized hood, super soft, slightly weighted, basically built to make you feel calm and cozy wherever you are. It's technically for travel, but I wear it to the ice rink because it's just that warm and comfortable. It holds your passport, phone, AirPods, even snacks for the plane, train, or car ride. This isn't a sponsored ad, just something that my family genuinely likes. Whether you check it out through our link or go straight to Comfort, it's a great product with a great mission to support mental health initiatives. If you do use our affiliate link below, we'd really appreciate it. It helps support the channel and we get a small commission from your order. So I don't think I've mentioned it yet, but we're actually in Belgium for my cousin's wedding. So a bunch of the family came out for the celebration. I think it's the same. You know what I think might be different? Belgium.
You should put a little clip of the guy.
Oh.
I want a hamburger. Let me can. French fries. Hold on, let me zoom in. Oh wait. Wait.
This is the Galerie Royale. We ended up doing a bunch of chocolate and sweet shopping here later in the trip. Fun fact, this is one of Europe's first covered shopping areas, kind of like a precursor to an indoor mall. By the way, should I do a more fun fact oriented video one day? I'm thinking something kind of like a Rick Steves video. Let me know in the comments. I've always loved watching those kinds of videos, so maybe I could do my own spin on one. Alrighty, now we're heading back to the train station to meet up with my uncle. We're actually heading to one of my relatives' homes to do a family get-together. We haven't seen them in years. See, there's my uncle. You've seen him in one of my earlier vlogs. I feel like I shouldn't be recording this. Right?
Probably not.
Okay, so you might be wondering why this clip is like this. It's mostly because I realized I wasn't sure if my cousin and his wife and her family were comfortable with being on camera. So sorry. I'll ask them for next time, but for now, just know we all got yummy food together with my uncles, aunts, and my cousin's wife's family. Yeah. Later that night, we actually went to McDonald's because it was one of the few food places open late. We came here because my dad and sister had just landed after a super hectic trip getting here. They really needed to get some dinner after their long travel. I'll probably talk a little bit more about this later, but for now just know it was not a great time getting here, and there were a ton of issues that affected the rest of the trip due to, I'm not going to name names, but there was a couple companies involved. Whoa, you were right. This place is... Alright, to cap off the day, we walked through Le Grand Place at night, and it was absolutely beautiful.
Like, it's an Apple phone.
Yes. This is the Maestro Burgers by McDonald's. As you can tell, we have been trying multiple McDonald's across the world. I can't. What is this packaging? Okay.
Good packaging. Hard to get.
I will put the ingredients list on here, on the screen for you guys.
No, he won't.
Let's go see how that is. Alright, don't mind the fact that I am down here. Yep.
You still mind it?
Mm-hmm. That's a lot of mayo.
That's good.
It's a lot of mayo. I mean, I think it's okay. Would I get this again? Probably not.
Because even there.
Hey guys, and that is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Not only is it the end of the video, but it's actually also the end of our walk. So, good timing, I guess. We do have more videos coming up, especially from our Belgium trip. So I hope you guys stick around, subscribe, and get ready for more. All right, see you guys. Bye. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more content. We will be going through more of our Belgium trip, and I hope to see you guys next time. Later.